Hey, what is up YouTube? Cherry Mike here with another video of Pokemon trading card games. Today I'm going to do a video of multiple different packs. I got Sun and Moon right here, base set, Chilling Reign, and then Sword and Shield base set. I'm not sure what's in Sun and Moon and Sword and Shield. We'll hopefully get something good, unlike the rest of the videos I've been having. Chilling Reign, still hoping for that alternate art Moltres, or really any alternate gold card that's out there. Yeah, so let's see what we'll get. First, we're going to start with the Sun and Moon base set. Alright. Got these packs from different places. Most of them came in first partner packs. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Grass Energy to start out with. Alright, I'm not sure that one's name. Big Massaldo, Brony, Bonsweet, Alola Diglett, Dratini, Sangist, Morlu, Pipaki, or Pikey Peak for the reverse hollow, and Pola Sand for the non-rare, here for the rare card. Alright, so the next pack will be this Chilling Reign. Hopefully we'll get this alternate art Moltres or any alternate art. Hopefully it's one of the 3 legendary birds. Alright. Nope, code card is backwards. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Here we go. Water Energy. Reboot. Welcoming Lantern. Fire Resistant Gloves. Cubpoo. Shoopit. Scorbunny. Diglett. NK. Rugged Helmet for the reverse. And Shaman for the holographic. That's nice. I like that. I'm a big fan of Shaman. Alright, the next pack is going to be Sword and Shield. Alright, there's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Metal Energy. Corvikix, I'm not sure that name. Lumberry, Rare Candy, Scorbunny, Galarian Meowth, Groudon, Chinchou, Minko. We got, I don't know that one, Poltix. Oh, Sableye V, that's nice. That's a cool looking card. Alright, now back to Sun and Moon base set. There's the code card. 4 cards. And here we go. Dark Energy. Charjabug. Poison Barb. Team Skull. Chinchou. I'm not sure this one's name. Carvana. Pink Pick. Sandile. Drumbeak for the reverse. Oh, Lapras GX. That's nice. That is a nice card. Rainbow. That is a beautiful card. That is cool. Alright, Chilling Rain now. Code cards backwards again. Alright, 4 cards and Metal Energy. Siebel. Whirligig. Melanie. Rookie. Clobopus. Heracross. Mareep. Larvesta. Heracross for the reverse holographic. And Glade for the rare non-holographic. Alright, here's the last pack. Sword and Shield base set. Alright, there's the code card. 4 cards. And we got Water Energy. Alright. Sharp, Drizzle, Liloon, Koofant, Krabby, Yamper, Silly Cobra, Grossifleur, Rosalia for the reverse, and Toxicrow for the holographic. Alright, and here are what we pulled today, the hits. The Toxicrow, Lapras GX, that's a nice card. Shaman, and Sableye V. Alright, make sure you leave a comment, like, subscribe if you like the videos, and Pokemon Trainer Mike out. Hopefully next time, see you again.